Hello student and warm welcome to all of you in my interesting session on mathematics. So are you ready to study and enjoy our today's topic? So our today's topic is on application of matrix. So friend, matrix is also used to find out the solution of linear equation. There are two methods used to find out the solution of linear equation, and the two methods are reduction method and inversion method. So friend, in this video, we are going to learn about reduction method only. So friend, while finding the solution by using reduction method, you have to follow some rules. These rules are displayed on your screen. I will pause this video for a while. Please note down it. So friend, what is your first rule? Your first rule is write down the given linear equation in a standard form. Means write down the given linear equation in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Means you have to write down this linear equation in such a way that all the term of x and y write down it on left hand side and all the constant term write down it on right hand side. Understood? Your second rule is now form coefficient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix and represent them by A, X and B. Got it? Your next rule is now consider AX is equal to B. This is your third rule. Now your next rule is now substitute the value of matrix A, matrix X and matrix B in this form. Is that clear? Your next rule is now convert this matrix A into upper triangular matrix by performing suitable operation on row. But here you have to notate one thing, that the same operation you have to apply on right hand side. Understood? Your next rule is now perform the multiplication on left hand side and equate it with right hand side. Due to this, what happened? You have to get one linear equation. So number it by 1 and you get the value of y. Understood? Now substitute that value in equation 1. You get the value of x. Is that clear? Now let us take one example for better clarity. So student, your question is solve x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 by reduction method. So friend, what is your first rule? Your first rule is write down the given linear equation in a standard form. Means you have to write down all the term of x and y on left hand side and constant term on right hand side. Understood? So x plus y is equal to 2. X plus 2y is equal to 3. Got it? Now your second rule is now form coefficient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix and represent them by A, X and B. Okay. So A means coefficient matrix. So what is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of y? 1. What is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of y? 2. So this is called as coefficient matrix. Represent them by A. X means variable matrix. So these two equations are present in x and y variable. So x and y. This is called variable matrix. And B means constant matrix. So here constant is 2 and 3. So friend, this is your second rule. Is that clear? Now your third rule is Now consider AX is equal to B. So write down it. Now consider AX is equal to B. Understood? Now your next rule is substitute the value of matrix A, matrix X and matrix B in this form. So substitute it. A means 1, 1, 1, 2. X is equal to B. Okay. Now what is your next rule? Now you have to convert this matrix A into upper triangular matrix by performing suitable operation on row. But here you have to notate one thing, that the same operation you have to apply on right hand side. Okay. So convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix. So friend, here you have to raise one question, and that question is, what is meant by upper triangular matrix? So friend, upper triangular matrix means those square matrix whose all element below the diagonal are 0. Here, this 1 and 2, these two elements lie on the diagonal, and because of that it is called as diagonal element. So here this 1 is present below the diagonal, so you have to convert this 1 into 0. Okay, so this 1 is present in which row? Second row. So write down second row changes second row. Okay, now you have to convert this element into 0. So friend, from previous knowledge we have known that to converting any element into 0, subtract that element from the same number. Okay, so here you have to convert this 1 into 0, so its corresponding element is also 1. So perform this operation, that is R2 minus R1. So friend, here row 2 changes, so write down the element of row 1 as it is. Now perform this operation, that is row 2 minus row 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. This matrix is as it is. Here also row 2 changes, because of that write down the element of row 1 as it is. Row 2 minus row 1, 3 minus 2 means 1. So because of this, what happened? Now this matrix A is converted into upper triangular form. Okay. Now what is your next rule? Perform the multiplication on left hand side. So by 1 into X means X. 1 into Y means Y plus 0 into X means 0 plus 1 into Y means Y is equal to 2y. Now equate it. X plus Y is equal to 2. Number it by 3. 0 plus Y means Y is equal to 1. Okay. So in this way you get the value of Y. Now put this value of Y in equation 3, you get the value of X. So write down, put Y is equal to 1 in equation 3. We get X plus Y means 1 is equal to 2. So X equal to 2 minus 1 means X equal to 1. So friend, in this way, by using reduction method, you can calculate the solution of any linear equation. So friend, I hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion. And if you understood and enjoyed today's portion, then some problem are displayed on your screen. Please note down it and solve it at home. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and have a nice day to all.